How do you say on in Spanish? The word on in Spanish is en. En. El libro está en la silla. El libro está en la silla. The book is on the chair. Pon las llaves en la mesa. Pon las llaves en la mesa. Put the keys on the table. There are a few different words for on in Spanish. You might hear encima or sobre. El libro está sobre la mesa. El libro está sobre la mesa. The book is on the table. El gato duerme encima de la cama. El gato duerme encima de la cama. The cat sleeps on the bed. If you mean on as in switched on, like a device or a light, then you can use encender. Encender, which is a verb meaning to turn on. La lámpara está encendida. La lámpara está encendida. The lamp is on, or the lamp is turned on. But generally, the word for on is en. Mi casa está en una colina. Mi casa está en una colina. My house is on a hill. So the word for on in Spanish is en. If you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can get my course 3-Minute Spanish by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME at checkout, you can get a discount. Gracias.